Oops. That's a tablespoon. That's a little bit more. We only wanted a tablespoon. We want lots of garlic. I got butter on my hands. It's hard. You need hot water to clean it off. We love butter. It's an excellent fat source. All right, we got some dry garlic. This is going to be a heavy garlic. I'd say that was smidge over 3 tablespoons of garlic. No, it was dried minced garlic. If you're on my channel, you'll learn how to take this and turn this into a cooking ingredient. Dollar store minced garlic. Supreme tradition. Drain it, dry it out, and then just leave it in the fridge. You have no idea what a blessing this was. Thank you, dollar store. We love you. All right, back to we're doing something different tonight. All right, I took a pause for the cause because I was going to do something one way. We have some, where is it? Oh, yeah. I have some coconut milk. 1 quick tablespoon for the garlic before that melts so the garlic doesn't burn. We don't want to burn garlic. Actually, I like burnt garlic, but we wanted to do something different. So, all right, now we're going to cook up the garlic. Pause for the cause. All right, another Dollar Tree night. There you go. Butter, coconut milk. Shut the flame off. Dollar store shrimp. There you go. That's that package. It's not salad trim. Get some trim. We're good to go. That 1 tablespoon of oil, or you want to call it butter, so we have to do something different. This is garlic shrimp to the next level from the dollar store. So I have all kinds of things. And guess what we're going to use? I have seaweed powder because I tasted the juice. Cooked, tailed off, wild caught, real nice. I'm going to give it a amazing that is seaweed powder to the next level. So we need something to absorb. I'm the only person on the planet that uses this, so that's why you come to my channel. And if you want to know something, oh, we need more. All the chefs on the planet use what? Squid ink, and I use seaweed powder. So as you notice, as time goes on, all these chefs on the planet start imitating me or stealing what I do. That's the whole idea of it. And we still have a little oil. And we're going to keep with this. We actually want shiitake mushroom powder in there, but it is what it is. Oops, Houston, we have a problem. And there you go. Thank you, Dollar Tree. $2 shrimp. Now it's time to make some tacos. Ooh! Oh wait, it's not Taco Tuesday. Oh well, who cares? Tacos are good any day of the week. That's why Taco Bell makes so much money. Because everybody wants tacos.